Honda Click, Bumblebee, toy switch. Okay. May on-off siya. Tapos ito yung switch ng MDL niya. Kung yung low, yun yung high. Low, high. Okay. Nag-install din kami dito ng P-horn. Lakas. Signal light. Left and right. Okay. Hazard. Okay. High and low. Okay. High, indicate ng high. Okay. MDL bracket, start mo na eh. Start. Okay. On mo yung ano. Kahit alin sa dalawa. Yan. Okay. Yan. Walang vibration yun. Kita mo yan sa ano. Okay. Ayan yung bracket nya. Patay mo na ilaw. Yan. Yung heavy duty. Walang side dyan sa tapalodo. Ayan. Okay. Honda Click version 2. Ito na, Honda Click. Okay, testingin natin yung ilaw. Yan, yung low beam, yung high. Yun yung high. Okay, sakop yung dalawang kalsada. Tapos, passing. Okay, passing. Passing. Okay, yan yung passing. High and low. High and low. Okay. Yan. Patayin mo na eh. Ay, dito yung ano lang. Ilaw. Yan. Stock headlight yan oh. Yan yung high nya. Stock headlight. Parang wala lang no. Okay. Yung low ng mini driving light. Okay. Low ng mini driving light tsaka low ng headlight. High mo. High. Tsaka i-high mo din yung ano. Wala talaga yung ano. Yung stock na headlight nya. May na. Okay. Kasi na.